No doubt you remember life as a teenager. Those days when you barely had to think about it and you could easily propel your finish across the room, sometimes even hitting targets with surprising accuracy. Today, we're focusing on how to bring that power back. How do you go from a slow, sticky sludge to a strong, slingshot-style release? What's the step-by-step, all-natural method to increase ejaculation strength? I'm Dr. Eva Danial, urologist and men's health specialist. This channel is dedicated to improving men's sexual health and giving you practical, science-backed strategies to help you perform at your best. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss the information that can genuinely transform your life. Before we dive into how to boost your force and volume, we need to review a little anatomy. Understanding exactly what happens inside your body during ejaculation is essential. This will make every step I share later much easier to apply and far more effective. After that, we'll uncover why your ejaculation slows down in the first place, what causes that decline, and what you can do to reverse it naturally. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because that's where I'll share the specific techniques that can increase the volume, improve the distance, and help you see noticeable results starting today. Let's get into it. So, how does ejaculation actually work? Healthy ejaculate should be whitish to gray, thick and slightly sticky. A natural scent is normal, but it should never be foul or fishy. Watery semen often happens when you're dehydrated, low on electrolytes, masturbating too frequently, eating poorly, fighting an infection, or dealing with prostate issues. On the flip side, semen that's too thick can also come from dehydration or infrequent release. Both extremes are signs your body needs support. Ejaculation happens in 3 phases. Phase 1 is emission. Semen enters the urethra through the ejaculatory ducts located inside the prostate. During this time, the bladder neck closes tightly so urine and semen don't mix. This also prevents semen from traveling backward into the bladder. Phase 2 is expulsion, where the bulbocavernosus muscle, pelvic floor muscles, and the elasticity of your prostate work together to shoot the ejaculate outward. If something interferes with any of these structures, your output weakens. That brings us to the problem. Why does your volcano suddenly become a slow-moving sludge? One major factor is structural obstruction. Think of the pathway semen travels as a highway on-ramp. If your prostate is enlarged, inflamed, or has a stone, that pathway becomes narrowed, just like traffic slowing to a crawl. Ejaculation becomes weaker, slower, or may even stop completely. Urethral strictures, bends, or kinks in the tube can cause similar issues. Over time, as the prostate grows, elasticity decreases because collagen builds up, making it harder to create the strong slingshot effect you once had. In fact, studies on over 34,000 men aged 50 to 80 found that nearly half of them had reduced or absent ejaculation due to prostate enlargement. So the steps I'm about to share are crucial. Step 1. Check your medications. Some blood pressure drugs like amlodipine, alpha blockers like tamsulosin or doxazosin, antidepressants like SSRIs and SNRIs, and certain anticholinergics can all disrupt ejaculation. Talk to your doctor about alternatives. Step 2. Hydrate properly and reduce alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates your body fast, which affects the consistency, volume, and propulsion of your semen. Step 3. Get enough zinc. Foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, eggs, cashews, and meat help support prostate health and increase semen quality. If you take a zinc supplement, make sure it contains copper to avoid deficiencies. Step 4. Consider a prostate supplement containing Pygeum africanum. Pygeum has been clinically shown to improve urinary flow and prostate comfort. Because urine and semen share the same pathway, better flow usually means stronger ejaculation. Step 5. Strengthen your pelvic floor. These are essentially Kegel exercises for men. The bulbocavernosus muscle wraps around the base of the penis and powers the force of ejaculation. If it's weak, your finish will be weak. Practice stopping your urine midstream. Those are the muscles you need to train. Contract them for 5 seconds, release for 5 seconds, and repeat 10 to 15 times, 3 times a day. Step 6. Ask your doctor about prostate massage. It's not for everyone, and if prostate cancer is suspected, you should never do it. But for some men, massage improves circulation, clears trapped fluid, and restores better function. Step 7. Stop ejaculating so often. Do everything above for 3 weeks. Then avoid ejaculating for 2 full weeks. No finishing, even if you're sexually active. On day 14, let it out. You'll likely see a dramatic increase in volume and force because your body finally had time to rebuild high-quality semen. To recap, review your medications, hydrate, increase zinc, consider supplements with PyGM, strengthen your pelvic floor. Discuss prostate massage with your doctor, and give your body recovery time between ejaculations. If you apply these steps consistently, you're very likely to see major improvements in volume, power, and distance. And remember, your sexual health isn't just about performance. It's a reflection of your overall wellness. Men who take care of their hydration, diet, hormone levels, and pelvic floor strength tend to experience better energy, better confidence, and better intimacy. Ejaculation strength is just one sign of how well your body is functioning. When you support your prostate, improve circulation, and give your reproductive system the nutrients it needs, everything begins to work more smoothly. Your erections get stronger, your climax becomes more satisfying, and your body responds the way it used to years ago. You deserve that level of vitality, and it starts with taking small, consistent steps every day.